Meaning of impasto.
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 Impasto. Impasto is a term used in painting to describe a technique where thick layers of paint are applied to a canvas or other surface. The result is a textured, almost three-dimensional appearance, with visible brushstrokes and a sense of depth. This technique is often used to add drama and emotion to a painting, and can be seen in the work of many famous artists throughout history. Impasto was particularly popular during the Baroque period, when artists like Rembrandt and Caravaggio used it to create powerful and expressive works of art.